Okay, everybody. So, you've signed up for Delicious. You found a website that you want to save to Delicious, and you want to be able to share with the rest of us, but you're not quite sure how to save this website onto Delicious. So we're going to take a quick look at that today. So obviously you go to the Delicious website, then you go over to the right, and you click on Login. Hopefully you already have a username and password. I write in mine and my password, and I log in. Okay, and here it takes me to the screen where all of my bookmarks are saved. But what we're interested in is how do I save one? So go up to where it says Post, click on Post, and it will ask you for the URL. I go down and I find the website that I found that I liked. And today I'm going to save YouTube, which is something we'll be looking at together. I highlight it, save it with Control-C, go back to Delicious, and paste it in there by going Control-V. Okay? And then I save it. At this point, it asks me for a series of information. Obviously, the URL, and then what they on Delicious call description, but which I would prefer to think of as the name of the website, as website names are usually self-explanatory. You can make that decision though. Either you put a very short description or the name of the website. Since YouTube is pretty famous, I'm just going to write the name. Then the notes are actually what I would consider to be a description. And this is where you need to summarize what you think that website is all about. And the notes are important because it's the first, one of the main filters that people can use when they're on Delicious. In other words, you can read the notes that somebody's written and decide whether or not you think that website will be interesting for you. That is, if the notes have been written well. So I could write, this is a huge repository of video clips available on the web. The videos can be used for educational purposes. For example, listening to and watching videos in English, or for fun, or for sharing your videos with the rest of the world, or just a small group of people. Okay. And then they ask for the tags. The tags are actually the first filter people would use. Okay, if I want to find something about video, I would use the video tag. So my first one will be video. And another one I could use could be search. And then I can go down and look at tags I've used in the past. And I could put maybe Web 2.0. Okay. And the other thing to keep in mind is if you want to use two words, in Delicious, they can't be separated. So if I want to use, for example, social software, I can't write it like this because then it will record social and software. I have to write it all together as one word. Okay? Then I save them. Oops, wait 1 second before I save. The most important thing for the purposes of our course, in order for us to find all the bookmarks that everybody else has saved, one of the tags that we always have to put, regardless of any of the others, are blogging English. This will make it easy for us to find the websites that other people have saved. Okay, then I save it. And there it is, YouTube. Okay? In fact, it's interesting, YouTube has been saved by 20,909 other people. It's a very popular website on Delicious. Okay, if you want to make changes to your description or your tags, just click on Edit and you can make any changes and save again. Now, it's important to put the blogging English as a tag so that I can go over and do a search for blogging English. I'll search and I find bookmarks saved by me and bookmark saved by somebody else. And I can see who saved it by clicking on Saved by One Person, and I see that it's Alessandra P. I think it's Alessandra Peron. Okay? And by using Blogging English as a tag, we can always find the websites all of the rest of us have saved. Okay? That should be the end of this tutorial.